Okay, um, this is just the final update, anyways, for this top for this BY50 Bigsby build I'm doing, and this has been sprayed. I ended up doing it twice. The first time there was just some dust nibs, so I sanded it down to 2000, and I gave it one more hit, and it has a few very small spots I got to deal with, but this will get wet sanded, and then it'll get buffed and polished. This is out of the can or out of the bottle, 90% plus sheen. And if I could have had it dust free, it would have been good to go. But uh, I want this to be dead perfect, dead flat. And as you can see, it is looking fantastic. It pulls up the figure so nicely, and we have some really great depth. It's really hard to see um, without being here in person, but it just looks so great. I am so happy with this product. I would say to anybody that's looking for a finish that this is definitely one you've got to try out. Um, because it's maple, I didn't have to do any look at that. Doesn't it look great? I didn't have to do any grain filler because it is a tight grain on maple, so that saves me, that one stage or one step. But it did need sealing, which I had used the Clean Armor to do. So I am very happy. And what I did was I had it in my booth, had it under light for 2-3 minutes. I took it outside and let it sit out there for a couple minutes, and it's great. When it's sanded, it is so silky smooth and feels so natural and really good. And that's really important, especially for guitar necks. So that'll be the next step. After I do the back, I'll be getting onto the neck, and I'll do that. And then I can glue the neck to the body and just do some of that final finishing stuff. So I am beyond happy. And as you can see, it just turned out so nice. The back will be great. It's going to have that really nice flame. Has that nice flame in it. This will get sprayed as well. It just needs a little more sanding and cleanup before I apply the product. But this is a keeper, my friends, and make sure you check in. That looks so beautiful. And considering I didn't do that typical dark stain or dark dye, sanded back and then hit it with an enhanced color, that would have even brought it up even more. This looks so great. Anyways, I'm going to stop talking. Thank you so much. All right, so we're just outside. I thought I'd do a final curing under the sunlight. I already used the UV light, but I thought I'd come out here just to show you the beautiful finish you can get from the spray of the Clean Armor. And this is the instrument, classical instrument 830 series, the buffable version. And you can just see how lovely that figure is being pulled up. What I will do with this is I will do a scuff. I'll do a level sand, and I'll do one final spray. Then it will be done. It'll be ready, to do the whole polishing process, wet sanding, whatnot. But this is what we're looking at. There is some really nice depth. I have about a 1.5 mil thickness of that of this initial spray, and as you can see, it's just looking fantastic. I can't say enough great things about this product. I'm so excited, as you can tell. Anyways, I'm going to keep posting, keep showing you just how wonderful this is. And yeah, it's such a durable, easy product to apply, whether you're brushing or wiping, even spraying. And I'm using a DeVilbiss with a 1.3 millimeter tip. It comes out of the gun perfectly, beautifully atomized, and it lays out nice. You let it sit for a minute or two to let it flow out, and then you hit it with the UV light. It freezes it in place, and then you're good to go. You leave a good 10 minutes between coats. I'm not sure what that reason is, but probably just for curing, maybe. I don't know. Anyways, thought I would just show you this and give you an update.